often brush your teeth?
No, doctor. I only brush my teeth once a day.
That's too bad. You must brush your teeth more often, okay? Let me examine you. Open your mouth. Alright. Yes, I see. I see you. I see. Your teeth is your teeth is decayed. I clean first. I will clean first. Terus. You must come again in today. You must not eat candy too much. Okay?
Thank you, doctor.
Yes, you are welcome.